Since when did we start toning
And
these?
Southeast Valley. Issued at 2:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday.
Since when did we start
Heavy snow
toning these?
expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. Areas affected include portions of northeast Kentucky and southeast, southern and western West Virginia. The hazardous weather can be expected from 1 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details. A low in snowfall is expected late Monday morning before heavier snowfall resumes Monday afternoon. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at weather.gov/RLX, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. This is a winter weather advisory for the following counties in West Virginia. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 a.m. Monday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. No expected. In West Virginia.
Bristol stations, Bristol. I just want to pay life.
Additional information can be found at weather.gov/RLX, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.
What?
What is happening?
Winter storm warning, Zarya. We're gonna get snow! More of it! Woo!
This is a winter storm warning for the following counties in West Virginia, Durham, Cannon, Lincoln.
What, Zarya?
What is happening?
There's a winter storm warning, Zarya. But that means we're going to get more snow tomorrow. We're going to get a lot more snow. You can go sledding. Because it'll be snowy, and that'll be the best way to have fun. So everyone else does with their little kids when it snows. You go sledding or you make snow angels. Or anything else, Zaria. What? It will start snowing tomorrow, Zaria. Resumes, not resumes.
Extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at weather.gov/RLX, as well as
on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Let's go 95.7. Talking about my generation. Talking about my generation. What, Zaria? You want to hear that? Well, I'll have to get my Bluetooth speaker and